welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing this amazing face, it's your one and only Morrisjackieofficial. Yeah, thank you so much for clicking. Compliments to all my returning subscribers, to all the one that was still subscribed to this amazing channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone. From the depth of my heart, I say thank you so much for being there for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I mean, your time. I always come back to watch my videos, guys. You are amazing. What else can I say? That all glory go to God for keeping us up to now in December. What a privilege for us still being alive among the living. Thank you so much. And I just keep on, and I'm going to keep on protecting us till all of us will see 2021 by the grace of God. So guys, thank you so much for always being there, always watching my back. Oh my God, thank you for all my subscribers, all the old and the new ones that just joined. A million thanks to everyone. Thank you so much. And it's my prayer that God will keep on protecting, strengthening, encouraging you, more grace that we will carry and see 2021. Thank you, my loyal subscribers. Thank you so much. Really. Time I just sit, I was just like, I'm short of words that up to now we are still among the living. There's no cause of asking any question, but you have to say, God, we thank you. Just be thankful to God. Just be appreciative to God. Just let God knows how gratitude, how thankful you are to still be among the living. It's nothing but His mercies. It's nothing that we deserve to be alive, but His mercies that are new every morning, new every day. Thank you for your protection. Thank you for seeing us through. Thank you. Thank you. No matter what you are going through, no matter all the challenges, I always say that don't forget that He is still with you. He is still with you. No matter all what is coming, like that is facing you, God is still with you. He said in His word, and that I will never leave you nor forsake you. It's real. The words are true. We will never leave Him. We always leave Him. Yes, we always leave Him. We don't think about things sometimes because we are going through some tough time. Maybe He's not there. He's there. He's watching. Think about it. Think about it. He's a merciful God. He's a long-suffering God. He's a patient God. He's a God that is the all-knowing God. So no matter what you're going through, He is still there. Keep on holding on to Him. Keep on trusting Him. And believe in your heart that the faith you have in Him, He will carry you through. So guys, I'm wishing everybody that will see the coming new year by His grace and by His mercy. So keep on trusting Him, keep on believing in Him, hold on to Him. He is the anchor of our faith, so hold on to Him, because He said in His word that I will never leave you nor forsake you. So He will never leave you and He will never forsake you. And same with you, don't forsake Him, because He's always there. Don't let your tough time make you think that it's not there. No, it's there. So with these words of mine, I always say that there is nothing that has overtaken you that God knowing. Nothing. So with God on our side, we can overcome every challenge in life. Just keep on trusting in Him. Keep on believing. Thank Him for this all these months. Imagine all what has happened and you are still alive. It's not by your power. It's not by our own strength. No. He said with strength, no one can prevail. So it's not by our own strength. All. Not because we pray too much. Not because we know Him too much. No. By His mercies and by His grace, that we are still among the living. So don't let the opportunity to bless somebody bypass you. Don't let it bypass you. If you have the means to bless, please bless the person. If you have the means to do anything for somebody, when it's still there, do it. Because you don't know. Yes, we don't know the outcome of life, but the Almighty knows everything. He knows the outcome of life, and He knows our tomorrow, our future. We are just entering into it, but He really knows everything. So don't forget to always keep Him in the midst of your heart, because I always say that your heart is where God dwells. Your heart is where He dwells. Doesn't dwell in any building, doesn't dwell in any other thing, but in your heart. So keep on searching your heart. Keep on searching your heart every day. Let it be right standing with your Maker. Let your heart be right standing with Maker. Then you are fine. Because you don't know the hour, the time. You don't know when He will call you home. No one knows. He said, I will come like a thief in the night. So some thieves, even they are coming during the day, they always mask themselves. Let it be like night. So that's how our Master will come back. And let people come back to take you, because coming back to take you, the day you depart is your own day. He has come. So you are going to stand in front of Him. So guys, keep on trusting Him. Keep on believing in Him. Don't forsake Him. Where He says He will never leave you nor forsake you. I will always be there with you, and He's always with us. Trust me. He has been with us from January to now. We are in December. He is still with us. So stay blessed, and my prayer for all of us is that 2020 we will come back to celebrate and thank Him. Stay blessed. Shalom.